Welcome to the TheDuttyBerryShow's coverage of Sting 2022.
Here comes the bride, here comes the bride, Queen wave. Here comes the lovely lady in white. Stop right there, so. Queenie, lady gangster, one queen, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
No, I wedding dress this?
Yes, it is my second wedding dress.
The second wedding dress where you parade around and show off and all of that with social media now. What make you decide to wear this particular dress today on your first Sting performance?
Because my husband couldn't make it here, so...
Oh, you have to keep the care the love.
With him.
Oh.
And tonight, Lady Gangster is here, so I just put on my wedding dress to remind me of my husband.
So, you not touch the stage yet,
No.
Queenie. What got through your mind? Like before you hit the stage, like what's going through your brain right now?
One day at a time, sweet Jesus, a million and one things, so I just want to get action.
Action, you ready?
Action.
For anything?
Ready for anything.
So you say if Amari go up this and call up your name and say like Dirty Girl Queenie and stuff like that, like you're ready for if your head chip and you have to go tell her about something, you're ready?
Say my pussy clean, say my pussy fat.
Yeah.
Say my pussy yeah, girl or what? Say the body love to see a lot of that. Hey, never said it. Hey, I got Queenie.
No, Queenie, we have to go in and talk about the other song. Like when you say that, you 100% look on like you have a JJ and just really own say it clean and fat. Like you can't just say them lyrics there if it lyrics no factual.
Well, after being 53,
yeah,
pussy clean, fresh, and still a slap. So obviously,
still am I doing?
Yes, and you know what happened? Pussy are the greatest thing it bring life, and a lot of people afraid to say pussy. It's so discriminated, but are the greatest.
Can you talk about the people power? Yeah. And I keep doing come back, right?
Yes. You know, pussy power. A pussy have to feel the deal, you know.
Yeah.
Ladies, you know, pussy power, double tap, all of the clean fat pussy girl, them dirty berry. Don't have no dirty pussy ladies.
No, more if you come tell me this now, how do you deal with like all of the hate where you get on social media? Because I know so sometimes you're good and you tell them off, but there are other days where it get to you. How you normally just like deal with it?
Just deal with it because I'm a crazy energy. I love myself, my personality, my all purpose, my mother, my wife, my grandmother, me do music, my cuss, my sing, so everything is a balance. I'm not really dwell with me like, you see me in a mood now, I'm not staying there too long. Because when I look at myself, I say, hot girl,
yeah.
you know me, a top girl, never a flat girl. So, I just rehabilitate myself with my little crazy energy and just be nice because life is short.
I know me like, if like a big woman, you really carry yourself and show say it's really about the energy inside. So you know, walk and kind of like sad up yourself and feel like me like to see that you go out, you enjoy, you smile, you're not afraid to be a child. Me literally see you run up and down and you're like, I'm just say that you just have fun. Because it helps for balance the stress in life and away from that, I'm hyperactive. And in my 53 years of age, I have many ladies who are 53 and them give up on life and them are 40. Yeah. So me just make a perfect example to the girl power. So ladies, the shortest thing, the greatest thing is life. Yeah. You hear that? So live and be loved. What you can do today, no wait for tomorrow. Sorry, Dirty Berry. Yeah. No, one of the things I'm going to say like... And so much something I forgot to say. Hold on. What happened? What really happened with the whole Sicka Rhymes thing? Because I up on YouTube and I tell some of my friends to go and go check out, you know, the Dewey song, the one, something to man to my good. Yeah. I tell you, when them run on YouTube, not a music video. So same time I say, no man, something wrong if you wonder. Bro, now you see me, now you don't. Well, basically what happened, I'm unruly, I'm stubborn. Yeah. I never fit Sicka Rhyme criteria. I just light up my mouth and tell the truth and I never like it. So them just delete the song. But no, man, I never like that, man. The summer heard me, the summer heard me come here and say, boy. Yeah. But the song was done out there already. The people, them love it. Well, him satisfied for himself. And in life, you have to lose to win. So in my term, Sicka is a great writer and him teach me a lot for the 2 months. And in my terminology, there's people coming in your life for many reasons. Some is for a reason, some is for a season, some is for a lifetime. So Sicka Rhyme was just for the 2 months. I saw me look on it. And him do a great job. And you have to lose to win. Yeah. So you're gonna have other producers, If Sicka never one man to my goodie, then send for Amari for trouble me, all of this wouldn't happen. If I walk away from his studio that night,
It will lead up to all of this and my hard work. So, you know, every make a macro.
So you personally feel a particular way, same kind of just leave from you and just go straight to Amari, like something about that kind of make you feel a way?
Not really, like now I'm here. I don't really feel a way because, as I said, you have to lose to win. So losing Sikaram lead me to the journey of Sting. All of the controversy and the excitement and the blah, 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 all of it lead to that publicity and people said, no, make me see Queenie talent. Him have a lot to do with it because him set her up to provoke me. Yes.
It worked?
In some sense, it does. Because I'm here and she's here. So one and wash the other. So it's good for me and it's good for her.
Say to Bill, I know everybody come and Sting for go say the two
so
on
regardless, win, lose or draw, I am a winner. And I don't think there's any comparison to me because of my own challenge. So I don't really like challenge, but the fact that she exists and is a woman, why not fuck the world up? It's girl power. Who win the world? Fucking girls. And we can't win, too somebody can't win, so I win, lose or
no, I have two more something for you now. What's the best thing? What's the best thing about Dewey?
The best thing that he married to me.
Wait a second, right there, same show. What is one of the pet peeves?
Listen, like if you do married to me, may I tell you, me's a hard road to travel and a mighty.
So you're aware that anybody can deal with Queenie?
So I respect him for the fact that as an elder woman for him took that chance to marry to me. So his growth is a journey for me for compromise.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I understand life. I have 5 kids to one dad. I've been through a lot with that man. So now I have a husband younger than me. I give and take. You understand me? For better or for worse.
But one thing, Queenie, I don't want to see you crying because I don't know there's something special in your cry. I know whatever people make me feel sorry for them, but once you ball, it's like I feel like I want to go fight your back of them fear. I want to be like Sam Sharp. Yeah, man, it come from one soul point. So no more for play a game now since me all your time now. This game name when last, right? So I say when last, and you just give me an answer, right? When last you have to cuss off somebody?
If you just get so sad.
Yeah, man, when last? This week, last month? When last you cuss somebody?
I don't even fucking remember.
when last you cry?
Because somebody today. I'm going to cry today.
When last you lost something?
When last
last something, couldn't find it.
Oh, today.
When last your masher works?
Today.
What? Wait, what?
Then I work this man.
Oh, wow. No, quick. You're smart. All right, big up yourself now. All the best on stage, Queenie. All right, nice meeting you, man. Yes, all right.
Are you checked by the queen? Amari whiling in my back. Put away winning, because Amari is a winner. And there's no comparison to the queen. But ladies, we all are all queens. I am queen of hearts, and she's queen of spades. Amari, I've got nothing against you. I love you, you love me. What a happy station we with a king. heart from me to you. Amari, won't you say you love Queenie too? Business! You know what I like about Queenie? Queenie take everything for joke. Queenie roll up and down, but the stage run with Amari cross it up.
Alright, so Queen Wave. Queenie, me just don't talk to you. I go up on the stage and the clash finish now. When you went out there, what was going on through your head?
I just take it one day as myself. I just take it naturally because I don't know where I go on. So I just work with where I go on.
No, but honestly,
just make the best of it.
I am so impressed the way how you just like, quick, you think so quickly on your feet and just handle that.
Queen. That's why my name Queen Lady Gangster. I'm all purpose. I'm a lucky number, so if I lose this, I'm balance it. That's why I balance it. That's why I
honestly, when you always talk about the all-purpose thing, I never really understand it.
Yes.
Now, I think you're fully displayed. I'm sure by the time you sleep and wake up, the whole entire Jamaica will be saying, all hail the Queen, Queenie.
All hail the Queen is here. Long live Queen Lady Gangster.
Now that you have been declared the official winner for the clash, between you and Amari, any message that you'd like to say to her?
Girl power, we are show her every hour. Just show some love. I love you, Amari. Mwah.
Any message to Sikaram since I did send her for face you?
Sikaram, big up yourself, said speed. Not change. You don't know, you give me 2 great songs, I can't forget it no matter what. I'm not ungrateful. Shit happens.
And see they do it. You must give your wife a nice present.
5 kids
You want to big up everybody? No, it's the mic. Big up everybody.
Yes, we're blessed. Yeah. Big up my team. I come with me. My Portsmouth team. Asphalt Entertainment. Duttyberry. Yeah. We need a real life. Sting. We're sting it off for 2022. And it's December 26th.
Yeah, big up yourself. We can do one run off now. I always wanted to run off. Teach me the run off. The Queenie run off, man. Okay, I want to learn it. I'm going to practice it.
Okay, so we're going to run that way then.
Oh, that way?
Yeah.
All right, so now I'm going to go to in a little zone. All right. All right, Thank you, Queenie. Thanks.